someone showed up. What you looking at? March along. Last chance to walk.
Go on, it's a tempo!
You're gonna be the name for the earth. Cocksucker.
Yep. Easy, girl. Hey, you're okay, girl.
Interesting way of putting it, Seamus.
No doubt. I do interesting very well. It's trusting I don't do so well.
Please.
Arthur, this is Seamus. He's our new partner.
I ain't no such thing.
Prospective new partner, if he likes us.
Liking ain't the problem. Trusting is, as I said. Keep your voices down. I don't want my boss hearing. This is a sideline.
Of course. Look at us. Honest as the day is long.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what. Let us prove ourselves.
Prove ourselves? To this clown? What you talking about?
Good day, Hosea. Good luck with your business dealings.
Listen, he's rough and ready and quick with his tongue, but I swear you can trust him and trust me.
I'm an old man.
You're not old, Seamus.
I'm old enough. And you know I ain't dead.
You don't trust idiots.
Exactly.
We're not idiots. Let us prove it to you.
Okay. I'll tell you what.
Arthur.
Old Bob Crawford and his boys just bought a beautiful stolen stagecoach from upstate. It's in their barn. Now you go get that, and then we can work together.
Who's old Bob Crawford?
An acquaintance of mine.
So you want us to take out your competition?
Well, he's not just an acquaintance, but a cousin. By marriage. I also want to see if you boys got what it takes. Now, you survive that.
Where is he?
Well, he's in a farmhouse just northwest of here called Carmody Dell. It's just up the train tracks as you're heading up towards Fort Wallace. There's also some money in that house, but that's your business, not mine. But don't kill nobody. Folks know we ain't intimate no more, and they'll know it was me.
But you're fine with us robbing your cousin.
By marriage. And yes, I'd love it.
You heard the man. Let's go rob his cousin.
By marriage.
Really?
Really? Lead the way. He said the place is just northwest of here.
Me?
You're the one who's been out gallivanting around here.
That's what you call it. Well, clearly you've recovered from your bear encounter.
Yeah! Could have played that better, couldn't you?
Thought you wanted me here to show some strong arm. That's usually how it goes.
Yes, but you know how this works.
Come on, Hosea. That feller's a joke.
And that's why he's perfect. He won't cause us any problems. A safe spot to fence wagons and coaches, that's easy money for us.
I guess you're right.
Come on, it's not like he's asking us to rob a bank. If the two of us can't steal a stagecoach from Seamus's old crooked cousin by marriage, we should hang up our hats now. Easy.
So what's the story with that Emerald Ranch? You find out anything else?
A little. Owner's a nasty type by all accounts. Seamus is sure scared of him.
That's not saying much.
Something strange about the place. Used to be a saloon there, general store. Now it's all closed up, but they seem to have money.
Sounds worth a look around.
For sure. Seamus also mentioned the rancher's daughter a couple of times. How he used to see her around all the time, but now she never leaves the house. Probably just sweet on her.
Look where you're going.
That what you call finding out a little?
Once he opens up, seems Seamus does like to talk.
Hopefully not too much.
Whoa! That must be the place up ahead. We should go on foot from here. Let's see what we're dealing with. Come on. There's the house. I see the barn in the back. Stagecoach has to be in there.
Okay, let's take a quick look at the place.
Anyone around?
Yes. Okay. I reckon we can do it now. I'll head over, distract him by putting on a little show while you sneak into the house, find what you can, then get the stagecoach. Or wait until nightfall. Sneak in, then I'll get the coach. You can try the house. What do you think?
Let's do it now.
Sure. All right, then. Don't follow me.
Wait until I have them distracted outside, then sneak into the house. my good young man. Fairly well, fairly well. And you know what? Oh, here he is. Are you the father of the house? Sure. Pleasure to meet you. I was just chatting with Junior here a bit. You selling something, partner? Free. Spinal alignment. What? Spinal alignment. Good God Almighty. Or whomever built us. Good. Our brains in here, but our soul is in our backs. You, sir, your back looks kind of tricky. Sure. I can fix it for you. Just 10 or 15 seconds. Whiskey suits me fine, sir. Whiskey is this causing the problem. You ever meet a Scot who can hobble an old age? But the English and old, gin. They drink gin. And what is gin made with? Junipers. And what does the juniper do? Creates movement in the spine. Whereas your whiskey, made with grain as it is, leaves the spine brittle. Hence your hollow chop. Please. Lay down here a little. Won't take long. I was worse than you, sir. I was broken. Look at me now. I dance every night. Women adore me. Seriously, it's all about the spine. We think our brain is in our head, but they are in our backs too. Oh, I can tell you're a very wise man, but the troubles, they're killing you. That's the spot. Oh, I heard. Give me a minute, sir. You'll have some dance. Dancing. Do you like dancing?
I've never been a dancing man, no.
That explains everything. Explains it. But give me a minute, sir. Don't let those troubles kill you. Is that better? Just a bit. Yeah. It's a little bit better. This session has been free, but perhaps I might call again.
How much will it cost me?
I'm offering you virility, and you're asking me about money, sir.
I ain't made of money, Mr.
My rates are reasonable. Have a think about it. I'll be around this way next. Bye, gentlemen.
You done, Arthur?
Yep. Covered my tracks so well, they won't even know I was in there.
Good work. Let's grab this stagecoach and get out of here.
Yeah.
Damn it, they're on to us. We need to get out of here. Damn it, must have spotted us riding out. You're gonna crash if you don't slow down.
I guess I should have tried leaving the back way.
Too late now.
Yep.
So what were you able to lift from the house?
Few bits and pieces. Nothing too fancy.
Well, we need anything we can get right now.
This was easier than hunting a 1,000-pound grizzly anyway.
Slow it down a bit. No doubt. I won't forget that in a hurry.
I'm looking forward to your retelling of that one around the campfire.
It wasn't the first time Mr. Matthews had stared death in the eye. And as usual, he did not flinch.
Yeah, exactly. How long you think we're gonna stick around here for?
Okay, here we are. Just pull the coach into the barn there.
Easy. Yep. Easy there.
Hello, Seamus. We met your cousins.
How was it?
Fine. Nice people.
Park that thing in here. Quickly. Nice work, Hosea.
It was mostly Arthur. Like I said, coarse but competent.
Here.
Thank you.
Find any other coaches that need selling. I'll see what I can offer you for them. But discreet, you know.
Of course.
Goodbye, gentlemen.
I'm heading back to camp, I think. You coming?
Sure.
Hold!
Mr. Morgan! Mr. Morgan!
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
One of the girls saw that friend of yours, Mary Gillis, sniffing about.
Mary?
Yes, I never liked that woman, Mr. Morgan. Funny business.
Ah, Mr. Morgan.
You seem chipper?
But where there's life, there's hope, my friend.
And?
Leave me alone. What are you doing, Jack? I'm converse. See, polar opposite of romantic.
Well, I don't know. Some lady I was speaking to in town told me about a curse.
Dear Arthur, I've written this letter 100 times or more, and I cannot get it right. It's me. You know it's me from the bad handwriting. I know I said when we last spoke, and I was going off to get married, that we would not speak again. I know I said a lot of things, and I meant them, I suppose, at the time. But I'm not so proud as to not speak to people who care for me, or cared for me. I've been in Valentine for a couple of months. I had some bad luck, and, well, it's a long story and not an interesting one. But I am here for now. I saw a couple of the girls, or whatever the polite term is for them, that ran with you and your associates in town. And I heard tell of a man who sounded like you. I would love to see you again if you could spare me a little bit of your time. I'm renting a room at Chadwick Farm, just north of Valentine. Yours, Mary Linton.
Hurry up, Pearson! I'm fixing to eat my shoe.
All in good time.
Before you come in...
Arthur, how you been? I've been real worried.
What do you want?
Don't be like that. All right, just a few bucks. I'm short.
Get lost.
Well, I'll go try someone with a heart.
You do that.
If you are dying...
Oh, sorry, Dutch.
You are a heartless little swine. You really are.
Bring me something soon if you can, Arthur.
Yeah, I will.
Hey, if you could give me some leather working tools, I could make some rugs and blankets and the like out of these hides you're bringing in.
All right, Pearson. I reckon I'm gonna think
Mr.
about
Morgan, bring me some materials, and I'll be glad to make something nice for you.
Sorry,
Don't forget to
got
go
nothing
hunting,
for
Mr.
you
Morgan.
Right now. Yeah, I hear you. Don't you overcook this now, Pearson.
Many thanks, Mr. Morgan. Okay, Mr. Morgan.
Hi, Arthur.
okay, Miss Karen?
Dandy, how are you?
Well, they haven't killed me yet.
Who ain't?
The boys around here.
Tell him he's fine, Arthur.
You ain't fine, boy. Watch yourself.
Ignore Arthur. He's only teasing. They act tough. They're good boys, mostly.
It's the most thing I'm scared about.
Don't be. Be fine. Lean back now.
I guess that I am just some tired old Yankee dreamer in a world I no longer understand.
Take it easy. Yeah, you're all right, girl. Let's go, girl.
Interested in some friendly competition?
I know, girl. Just give me a second.
I've come all the way north from Mexico to challenge a real American gunslinger. You him? Well, amigo, you in or what?
Tempting, mister, but not today.
Okay, man, okay. Maybe some other time. Hasta la próxima,
Maybe we'll
amigo.
run into each other again.
Yeah, maybe. Desgraciado! What are you doing? Ah!
Okay, girl. Yeah. Hey, you! Slow up now. What's your reason, huh? Actually, forget about it. Not my business. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Ah! Take it easy.
Today you're gonna make the rain.
Son of a bitch! Ah! Too damn close. Ah! Ah! Get back. Stay there!
You're dead, you son of a bitch!
Oh, come on! Why's it always gotta be such a goddamn performance with you? Now, I told you I'd get you the money next week, and I'll get it.
Lily, where's our money?
What?
That loan you took. It's payday.
I'm sorry. I don't have it right now.
Well, then. I guess we got a big problem, don't we?
Cooper! Give him what you've got.
I ain't giving him nothing except a lesson in damn manners!
Bitch! How did that feel?
Come on, that's enough. Just give him the money. Don't hurt him.
One more?
All right. He has all my money. I gave it all to him. Just take everything that you find on him and let's be done with this. Please. Leave me alone, won't you? You've got the debt. What do you want?
I didn't steal that. It's a debt. Oh, damn it. Maybe you should think about the kinds of men you're friendly with, miss.
You've got your money. I don't have to listen to your wisdom, all right?
Don't run from me.
Don't do this! No! Please, no!
You goddamn hearing me? Oh! Hey, man.
Hello again.
Do not leave it near the campfire.
I won't ask too many questions about its previous ownership.
You ain't scared nobody.
Hey, what the hell? Looking to get something put together, huh?
I just hope nobody's missing. Thanks. Come on, girl. Yep.
Happy to assist you in a moment. Quite the bounty you acquired, ain't it?
See you later.
Out of the damn way! Yeah.
Hello? Please, I'm trapped.
What happened?
My horse collapsed. I don't know why. It's my friends. My legs.
I'll
Oh
see
no.
what I can do.
Please hurry. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You saved
Sure.
me. Oh, that was bad.
Okay. Sure.
I could have been stuck here and starved or eaten. Oh, you poor, dumb animal. Oh. What'll I tell Mildred? Well, thank you.
You need a ride home, ma'am?
Oh, yes, mister, please. Thank you. Do you know
Yep.
Valentine? I live there.
No problem. Yep.
I don't normally travel this far alone, you know. I was off inquiring about a possible new line of work. I'd borrowed a friend's horse for the trip. See, my husband... Well, it's just me and my boy now, and it's hard to find work.
I'm sure it is.
A good opportunity. That's what I'm looking for. Not much work for a woman with a boy to raise. I won't work in no saloon, but I've got sharp eyes and quick hands. I was hoping to get a job working as a seamstress. A wealthy man said he'd pay me for the work.
Sounds promising. Also doesn't sound real. Yeah.
Oh, you may be right, I suppose. He said he'd provide room and board for me and for my child. He wanted to meet me first.
I'd be careful with offers like that, ma'am.
I can't afford to dismiss offers like these, even if they do seem... odd.
Just be careful is all I'm saying.
I may not have another opportunity like this. Now I'll have to pay Mildred back for her horse.
It sure sounds like you're in a hard position. Yeah.
You finding me is the only good thing that's happened to me in a long while, sir.
Hey, more, girl. Come on. Easy, girl. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah.
Oh, God! We're close now. Just a little further. We're here. Thank you for all your help. You're a good man.
Glad I was able to help. You take care. Appreciate it. You be well.
Watch it, dummy.
Okay, need to close it. Let's go. So, what are you aiming for today? Go ahead. It does seem strange to me that they'd need so many guards at Cornwall, kerosene, and tar. Must be something else going on there. No worries, Ann. Well, with Valentine connecting the west to the east, they get a lot of passing folks stocking up on bullets and weapons. Some of them may belong to a gang. Hey, how would I know? Every man gotta have a revolver. You know the show field, straight and true. There ain't a cowpoke all over the... Yep. Done with that, I guess. My daddy used to use the Springfield. No worries, Ann. Never mind. Worth a shot. Fine. I'll stay open for a bit longer if you really want something. What in the hell have you done to your gun? Christ! Good. Ain't no trace of rust on that as far as I can see. You thought about upgrading the stock? I got some nice ones. Dangerous. I'd just like to give this a personal touch with some engraving. Well, it doesn't hurt to stock up on ammo. You never know. You keep treating that like your own child, all right? Good on you. How about you get some new sights for this, huh?
That's going to be great. That's great.
It's beautiful condition. Keep it up. You know what? Bet you could use some rifling on this thing. Smart addition. You keep treating that like your own child, all right? Good on you. It's a nice piece and all, but I'd personally add some rifling. Take it or leave it. It's beautiful condition. Keep it up. Oh, wait. You're that fellow who had to fight with Tommy outside of Smithfield's? Open tomorrow, too.